Natikman niyo na ba yung mga new items ng Tokyo Tokyo? Last December lang namin natikman yung new burgers, onigiri, and makirito nila along with our Tokyo Tokyo usual orders. And here's our quick review. First up, Wagyu cheeseburger. We were pleasantly surprised kasi malasa siya and juicy. Yung patty niya, same ng texture nung sa Wagyu cubes nila. Almost same yung pagka-savory nila with that grilled, smoky taste. Nataray din namin yung shiitake mushroom burger and teriyaki burger nila. You'll taste Tokyo Tokyo's signature teriyaki sauce. Juicy yung patty pero medyo same lang sila halos ng lasa. Best paired with their nori wasabi fries. Next is Tokyo Tokyo's onigiri. In terms of filling and flavors, sana mas generous pa sa laman para mas malasa. Pero mas okay naman to kesa sa 7-Eleven onigiri. Pinakabet namin chicken teriyaki onigiri nila with their best chicken teriyaki. Yung tuna mayo onigiri has Japanese mayo. Sakto lang yung lasa, but we're not inclined to order again. Pork adobo onigiri has this asim tinis ng Pinoy pork adobo na lasa mo agad when you bite into it. Next is yung takoyaki potato balls. Yung lasa niya parang kang kumakain ng takoyaki. Mashed potatoes siya na shaped into balls. Soft and tasty kaya natuwa kami dito. Lastly, there's samurai karaage makirito. First off, it's chunky. Masos siya, tapos lasa mo yung karaage nila. Natuwa kami na malaki rin ang chicken karaage pieces niya. Kaya rin it's flavorful in every bite. Parang isang order nito mabubusog ka na. That's it! Alin dito sa mga new food items from Tokyo Tokyo ang natikman mo na? Let us know in the comments.